Hey everybody, I am testing my Sony T1 that I just ordered. I ordered off of eBay. I'm collecting Sony cameras and as part of my other collections. So, check the microphone. This is checking the microphone test. Yes, and this is my J200 key. So let's go in the control panel and check out the elevator buttons. And bear with me, this camera does not fare well with low light conditions. So let me get my camera and another lanyard, and you see the little elevator button lighting up. I redid the wiring, as you can see. But yeah, she's a beautiful button and I like it. So yeah, oh yeah, here's my fire alarm keys. Okay, close her up. Grab out my H1846 key and we'll do a test of the key switch before my battery dies. Yeah, and yes, this thing has it's dying because I don't have a charger. Okay. Okay, call the elevator. Ding, ding. Call it up. Ding. Yep, there we go. So yeah, there's some Tostitos, original, and Tostitos. So yeah, my Sony TX100V, beautiful camera. It's my filming camera that I'm going to use most. This camera right here. This camera I'm using, the Sony T1, will be just a primary for my pictures mainly. And yeah, beautiful camera. This is a beautiful camera. I love it. If you guys have any suggestions for the next camera I should buy, let me know. And that's it.